Big ocean ships are essential to our modern world. They carry most of the goods we rely on daily, from clothes and phones to food and cars, across the world's oceans. These massive vessels connect countries through trade and travel, and even help science advance by transporting research equipment around the globe. Without ocean ships, our lives would be much harder and more costly. Global trade would slow down, making everyday products rare and expensive. Traveling between continents would also become uncommon and far more expensive, limiting how people and goods move around the world. So, what exactly are big ocean ships? They're massive boats designed to travel across vast seas and oceans. Built for strength and capacity, these ships can carry thousands of cars or people, and sometimes huge amounts of food, toys, electronics, oil, grain, and countless containers filled with goods from around the world. Big ocean ships are like floating cities made of strong steel. Their lower part, called the hull, is shaped to stay stable in water. Inside the hull, there are cargo holds for goods or cabins for passengers, depending on the ship's purpose. On the top is the deck, where cranes, containers, and safety equipment are neatly arranged. The bridge serves as the control center, where the captain steers and navigates. Beneath the deck lies the powerful engine room, which drives the propellers to move the ship forward. All these parts work together to make ocean ships strong, safe, and capable of traveling great distances while carrying heavy loads. How do massive ocean ships manage to float despite their heavy steel bodies? It's all about their hollow design, which makes the ship less dense than water. When the ship rests on the surface, it pushes water out of the way, and the water pushes back with an upward force. This upward push, known as buoyant force, balances the ship's weight and keeps it floating steadily on the ocean. As mentioned earlier, a big ocean ship is like a small moving city, where many people work together to keep everything running smoothly. The captain leads the team, deciding the ship's route and speed. Officers assist by navigating, checking maps, and monitoring weather conditions. Below deck, engineers ensure the engines run properly so the ship can move. Sailors and crew handle docking, cargo loading, and maintenance. On passenger ships, cooks, cleaners, and service staff also play vital roles in caring for everyone on board. How do ships find their way across such a huge ocean? In the past, sailors found their way by watching the stars, especially the North Star, and using maps and compasses that always pointed north. Today, navigation is far more advanced thanks to GPS, a satellite system that shows a ship's exact location anywhere on Earth. Modern ships also rely on radar and radios to detect other vessels, land, and storms for safety. Before setting sail, captains carefully plan routes, check weather forecasts, and calculate fuel stops. With all these tools, ships can travel safely across the vast oceans from one side of the world to the other. How do ships stay safe during powerful storms? They're designed with heavy bottoms that keep them balanced even on rough waves. When bad weather hits, the crew seals all doors and windows to keep water out, while the captain slows the ship and steers it in the safest direction to face the waves. Inside, sailors wear safety gear and secure all loose items to prevent damage or injury. Modern ships also use radios and satellites to communicate with weather stations and other vessels, allowing them to track the storm's movement and stay out of danger. Ships remind us that teamwork, careful planning, and courage make it possible to explore the world and bring people together. Stay safe, and safe travels to all of you.